Future Retail's legal battle with Amazon is far from over. The Delhi High Court has left it for regulators SEBI and CCI to decide if the 24,713 crore Future Retail Reliance Group deal can be permitted under law, while the Delhi High Court upheld Future Retail's 29th August board resolution where it had announced a deal with Reliance. The court also refused to restrain Amazon from writing letters to regulators to stall the deal in view of the potential of irreparable damage to business. On two counts, Future Retail has been able to make out a prima facie case of tortious interference by Amazon. Also, the court has prima facie held that Amazon, in its attempts to control Future Retail in absence of government approvals, was running contrary to FEMA and FDI rules. Admitting Future Retail's plea is maintainable, a single judge bench of the Delhi High Court held that the order of the emergency arbitrator in Singapore was valid in context of the written agreement between Future Retail and Amazon. This is a prima facie finding of the court, as the case remains open for further consideration and any final order will depend upon the evidence submitted by all parties to the case. On 20th of November, CCI had given its approval to Future Group Reliance Industries deal when the case was pending decision before the High Court. After today's order, Amazon may challenge CCI's nod to the deal even as SEBI's decision is awaited on the applicability of Singapore Emergency Arbitrator's order, which had halted Future Retail's deal with Reliance. Of course, there are several issues which still remain pending, whether Reliance Industries, Future Group and Amazon all head to the top court, and what would be the fate of Future Retail's lenders. Also, Amazon and Future Retail may move a two-judge bench of Delhi High Court against today's order. Earlier, Amazon had urged SEBI to investigate Reliance's deal with Future Group to buy its retail assets. They had accused Future Retail of insider trading, and the court had earlier held that it cannot examine legality of an arbitral award till it is not contested, whereas Amazon had insisted on enforcement of the Singapore arbitral award. Amazon had submitted that the definition of arbitral tribunal in Indian law includes emergency arbitrators, hence it had full rights to write letters to regulators, SEBI and CCI to stop the deal. Future Group had denied all allegations made by Amazon, maintaining that the US giant was behaving like a dog in a manger by neither helping Future Retail nor letting it seek funds elsewhere despite its precarious financial condition. Also, Future Retail had submitted that the company's fortunes had tanked due to the lockdown and it would have gone bust if money was not put in. Future Retail had urged the court to stop the American giant from killing an Indian company to further its design, claiming that the foreign company Amazon was trying to force Indian authorities to implement an emergency arbitration order which was unenforceable in India.